Today was supposed to be the day we went back to Everyday Struggle. I got a call. I didn't go in today. I don't know what's going on with Everyday Struggle currently. That's all I can tell y'all. Other than that, I'm still in negotiations with Complex. And I could tell you, because I'm saying it and I don't lie. And if everybody who always like try to like decipher my words, I've never told y'all no lie. Okay, so just take whatever words I say, just take it because it's truth. Any other situation, I've never been offered no other situation. Whatever you read in the media, if it didn't come from me, because y'all know I'm the nigga they hate because I just say what it is. I just come online and like I don't have to do the facade shit. If you heard it from some other shit, it's probably not true, and it could be about whatever, or whatever. Oh, there's a $5 million deal in Akademiks. No, what are you talking about? Nigga, there's a $5 million deal. I'll be taking $1 million of that and throwing it to my chat niggas on everything. So stop with the make believe shit. Believe me, I want $5 million in my account right now. Pay off my student loan, get my mama a house to be lit. Stop with these random shit. So this is for all you other niggas who be just talking shit. You really know nothing, okay? And you can't fucking quarterback this shit from the nigga who never been in a position like I am and talk like you could give me advice when you never seen shit. When I tell you, if I got offered some shit and I turn it down, you think a blog would ever leak some shit about me before I come on stream and say it? Please, come on, man. I share my life with y'all. I would come on here and be like, oh, did he offer me this? I turned it down because of what? I would have probably told you the reasons. That never happened. Everybody who says that, Charlemagne, I did never turn down, talking to you, Charlemagne, I never turned down a Revolt contract. That's a lie. I was not formally offered anything. We talked theoretic numbers. There was no official offer. Personally, I don't even deal with contracts. My lawyer does. I hate that propaganda gets spread out there because I don't lie to my people. I don't do the say some shit and have people run with it. I'm not getting people still tweeting at me, should have took the Revolt deal. There was no fucking Revolt deal to be taken. Maybe they'll offer some shit in the future. Joe not even done with Revolt. Joe don't have no deal with Revolt. You know what I mean? Everybody got to really, listen, I'm going to tell y'all the facts. You see, y'all people online, y'all be really just buying into all this other shit. I keep it factual. I don't have to do any of that, whatever. I keep it factual. Done with that. Let me see. Is there anything else? So I talk about Everyday Struggle. So I'm still negotiating with Complex. Revolt is more than welcome to hop in a discussion. I will negotiate with both of them at the same time. And they'll have, if they both offer me some shit, I'll look at it. I'll look at my family. I'll look at my mom. I'll look at my attorney. And I'll make a decision. That's all I'll say to y'all. Done with that.